Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to add subscriptions to your Shopify store. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. From the customer's point of view, they can now choose between a one-time purchase or a discounted subscription right below the product. Shopify will automatically handle the monthly billing and delivery orders while giving them a secure portal to pause or cancel anytime. To do this, go to your left sidebar and click Apps. Search for Shopify subscriptions, hit Enter to open the App Store, and click Install. Review the access permissions and hit Install one more time. Once you are inside the subscription app dashboard, click Create Plan. For this demo, I will name my plan as Lavender Candle Monthly. Next, add an internal description. This is just for your own reference. Select your target product. Make sure to check the box to offer a discount, like 10% off, to get people to subscribe, and under frequency. Set the delivery to repeat every month. Then hit Save to activate the plan. Next, go to Online Store to edit your theme. Head over to your product page template. Click Add Block under the Product Information section. Choose Apps, and select the subscription widget. Check the live preview to choose your style, and once it looks clean, hit Save button. Now, your store is officially set up for monthly sales, and that is it. You have successfully learned how to add subscriptions to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.